bounds.
So I will be introducing to you a sound receiving LEDs, which means that when a sound is detected from a sound sensor, so the LEDs will automatically light up. Just like if we are trying to play a music from the sensor, so LEDs will light up and dim if there is no sound detected. So we are using 5 LEDs or light emitting diodes. This is the positive side of the LEDs, and then the negative side of LEDs here. And we are using 5 220 ohms resistor connected from pins 2 to 7, but I removed the pin number 2. And we also have the breadboard. This line here is positive side, positive, and the negative, the blue one is the negative side. So if we try to connect the 5 volts of the Arduino, so as you can see 5 volts here, the blue one is connected here on the positive line, and the violet one, which is the negative, is connected to the negative side. So we also jumped the connection on the other side so that the negative side of the LEDs will be used, and then we just tap the resistors to the different pins. So if we try to speak, okay, the LEDs will light up. Hello. Okay, that's an example. Okay, and then what if we will try to put a music on it? So we'll emphasize by okay. So basically, that's the idea of using a sound sensor to the Arduino. So if we have music, we can just install this in our house, the perimeters of our house, and then with the help of the sound sensor. So if there's sound detected, so the LEDs will automatically light up. So that's it, guys. The program for this Arduino project will be also uploaded